welcome to Diamond Painting with Dee. My name is Dee and I'm so glad you joined me today. I have a couple of diamond paintings I'm going to show you today, and I also have a completed project we're going to look at. I hope you're well and that you're all ready for the holidays or getting ready for the holidays, and that the weather hasn't been too bad for you. We're having a bit of a snowstorm here today, so it's a good day to stay home and stay inside, stay warm, and to make a YouTube video. So the first diamond painting we're going to look at is one that just came from Temu. I just got a Temu order delivered like less than an hour ago, and that's what we're going to look at. This is a 30 by 40. And I just thought that this was absolutely adorable when I saw it on the Temu website. It is a cat with some books popping his little head out. And it's a little cartoonish, but I just thought it was absolutely adorable. I love the bright colors. And I love cats. I have 3 cats myself. And they're always getting into trouble, so I could relate to this cat being up in the bookshelf knocking down the books. This has 25 colors. It's a mixture of numbers and letters for your symbols. And they go in order. The first, they go up to 9 with the numbers. And then for the 10th color, it starts with an A. And it goes through to S. Here you have the colorful books. And the cat with his great big eyes and his paws holding on to the books. It was just so cute, I couldn't resist. So let's see, of course, it comes with your basic tray, your plate of wax, and your basic diamond painting pen. And the colors are going to be fantastic with this, so vivid. We have some turquoise and green, a hot pink, a light blue, another purpley pink. I would call this one melon colored. Of course, your black. I don't think I've done a diamond painting yet that didn't have black in it. Some burnt orange, some more purples, burgundy, a deep dark forest green, yellow, a blue, like almost a cornflower blue, a deep purple. This color is more on the red side. And you have teal and turquoise. And oh, look at this purple. Purple is my absolute favorite color. So when I have diamond paintings that have purple in it, I know I'm going to be happy with that. And towards the other end, we have browns and greens and some beige. This is going to be, you can just tell by looking at the canvas itself how vivid these colors are going to be. I've mostly been working on holiday diamond paintings, but I'll be working on this one soon because it's just so cute. I can't wait to get it finished. So I think that's all I really have to show you with this one. It's a 30 by 40. I think I mentioned that. So that's I find most of the ones I do are 30 by 40. It's just a common size. They're not too big. They're not too small. Because you start getting smaller than that, I can do 30 by 30. But when you start getting smaller than that, then you lose a lot of the detail. I think because the actual artwork on this is not fine detail, that this will be fine. So let me roll this one back up for now. And the next thing I'm going to show you, I'm really excited about. It is an off canvas, and I love doing the acrylic off canvas pieces. I also like this one because it's a little bit different than the ones that you see all the time. This is a train at the train station at the depot. You have a Christmas tree, and the train's got presents in the train car. And I really liked this because it was a little different. This could be part of a Christmas village. Of course, it comes with a stand and your drills. You get everything out of the box here. Here's the stand. Fits right into the stand like that, like an off-canvas does. It comes with the basic tray and your plate of wax and your basic diamond painting pen. And this, of course, is all crystals, because the off canvases are usually all crystals. Not too many colors, but enough that it's going to wow you. What colors do we have here? We have a beautiful yellow and a green. This looks kind of like a steely gray and red and a bright lemon yellow. And you have some specials here. You have these round red drills and round gold drills and some yellow marquee drills. So I think I'm really excited about this. I think that's going to be great. I'm always on the lookout for off-canvas acrylics that are a little different than your typical house or hummingbird or sunflower. And this, I just happened to come across it, and I ordered it immediately. So that's what I have for that. So I do want to remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification button and be sure to leave comments down below. I'll be leaving in the description box links to all of the things that I'm showing today. But if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, please let me know. And that brings me on to the next thing I'm going to show you. Somebody did leave a message in the comments saying that they'd like to see a finished project. So this is one that I just finished yesterday. This again is from Temu, as the others were as well. This is a sleigh and a tree, and I'm very pleased with how this came out. I did show this as an opening, a box opening in another video, and this is how it came out. So I did link this before in that video, but I'll go ahead and put the link below in this one as well, now that you can see how it looks completed, and if you're interested in purchasing it for your own collection. So that is all that I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you liked what I had to show you, and that you do take time to tell me what sort of things you'd like to see in our future videos. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and say hello. I'll be happy to see that you've joined me, and I'll go ahead and comment to you back as well. So I hope that you join me again real soon, and that you're happy and healthy, and I'll chat with you soon. Have a great day. Bye.